Hey guys, Lois here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys again how to do product research using SellerAmp and Keepa for your Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls, and it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, here's a video for today. And yeah, again, you guys need to open up your Amazon product page. Looks like this, and then open up your supplier page. Wait a second. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so again, Amazon page and then supplier page, and then from here you guys need to compare if the products match. So I would look at the title, description, color, size of the products. So yeah, to me this one looks like the same products. And then from here I would get the cost of the product, right? So this one is $472 from the supplier. So I would plug in $472 here under cost. And then the sale price on Amazon is currently at $14.20 or $14.32, which gives us a 20 or 19% ROI, right? The profit though is on the low side because we're selling a lower ticket product. And then estimated sales a month is at 121 sales a month. So from here, I usually go to the bottom of the page. Excuse me. I look at the other sellers on the listing, on their offers, and then I decide, right? I decide if I'm okay with sharing 121 sales a month with these other sellers. So there's 18 other sellers here. There's 121, excuse me, 121 sales a month. So yeah, and then I also look at the Keepa chart. So it's a chart that looks like this. I usually look at the buy box price. So I always look at the bottom price of the listing. So if you guys see the pink line, right? So the price is hovering or stable at around like $15. And then from here it's kind of going down in price. So I mean that's kind of concerning, honestly, but I think with 121 sales a month, though, this first two are going to be sold out very soon, and then the third seller here is going to get the buy box right after that, which gives you a 20%. Hopefully, that wasn't too confusing. So yeah, to me, this is a good product because I'm sharing 121 sales a month with these other sellers, and I like to price myself very low. So here the lowest ROI is 18%, right? So I'm okay with this number. And I also think that these next two sellers here, seller 1 and 2, are about to be sold out. So the ROI is going to jump to 20%. So yeah, to me, this is a good product. Next one is, what is this? Air compressor tube. Let's see. So the price from the website or from the supplier's website is $765. So again, just look at the products, right? If they match. So the cost is $765. So ROI is at 70%, really high, really good. Profit of $5. Sales per month is at 47. So I would go to the bottom of the page again. So hold on a second. Let me just double check. 47. Okay. So now I would need to decide, right? If I'm okay to share 47 sales a month with 6 other sellers with this much inventory, with this much ROI. So honestly, 47 sales a month is on the low side, but the ROI for this product is really high. So it's starting off at 70%, right? All the way down to 80%. So to me, that's good. Very interesting. So to keep it short, if you look at the price here, right, the pink line, there's a drastic drop in price, which is very interesting because this the price dropped about, I want to say, close to like $3. So that's interesting. I would take note of this drop right here and see, if this is going to be a factor. But looking at the other sellers here, and then looking at my ROI, right? I feel like there's enough room as far as the ROI for any price drops. So I'm okay with this product, even if the sales per month is only 47 because the ROI is really high, right? I mean, it's not the best one out there, but I'm okay with waiting a little longer to get a 70% ROI. So, yeah, there's that. Next product is this Garnier gel. So let's see. Okay, so interesting. So there's a coupon. Let's see, 2 for $8. Okay, so $8 is one unit. Because on Amazon, right, there's 2 pieces here. So 2 pieces. So one piece is about $8. Second. So 2 for $8. And then it's also giving you an extra 20% off. So how much is that? 8. So okay, so let's plug in 8 here first, right, on the cost. So plug in $8 here, and then 20% off, right? Okay, it's giving me 20% off. There's also a coupon here. Let's see. Let's read the details. It's not showing. Okay. So Garnier Fructis. Okay. So $3 off the 2. So this is going to be $6, I think. Okay. So now it's going to be $6, right? Because I'm sorry. $5 because you're getting a $3 off 2 pieces. So this one's going to be $5. And then you're getting an extra 20% off, right? So $5 right there, and then you're getting an extra 20% off. Where is it? Right there, right? Sales per month is $465. This one's a variation. So again, go to variation on SellerAmp right there. Pick it, check it. So this one's getting about 2% of all the sales. So 2% of 465 is about 9 sales a month. So I mean, there's not a lot of sales. It's really not. But then there's only 4 other sellers here, right? With this much inventory. So, and plus I'm getting a very high ROI. So to me, this is a good product. So yeah, I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below. And that way you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.